Hi friends, welcome to Facebook live session. I'm in this bountiful, abundant nature. Friends, today let's discuss about success. What exactly is this? There are 7.3 billion people on this world, and out of 7.3 billion people, only 2,000 people are billionaire. And one of them is Jeff Hoffman. Jeff Hoffman is a billionaire whose company Priceline.com is valued at $60 billion. You know what exactly is about this Priceline.com and Jeff Hoffman? Just few years back only, a multi-billion-dollar company called American Express came to him and asked his company and him, "What exactly do you do that our customers love you?" So this is success. This is success. When your competitor come and ask you, what exactly do you do that our customers love you? So let's discuss about success. Friends, success is a relative term. You might be saying that we have been saying a lot of things about success. What exactly is this success? Success is basically a relative term, very relative. For a rickshaw puller earning 700 rupees a day, he might be very successful. For a person who is earning for an entrepreneur who is earning half a million a month, let's say 5 lakh rupees a month in India, and now looking for 25 lakh rupees a month, he might be successful. And friends, someone who is searching for water for 1 hour, and now after 1 hour he finds water, that also is success. So what do you say about success, friends? Hi Arjun, hi Harish, hi Nandini, hi Rajiv, welcome. So I have given you 3 instances where we have been watching, or actually we are trying to understand what exactly is this success. So first case was a rickshaw puller, second case is an entrepreneur, and third case is someone searching for just water, and after 1 hour if he finds water, he is successful. And these are all relative things. So success is nothing but relative. So very important point. What exactly is success in absolute terms? In absolute terms, success is nothing but satisfaction, my dear friends. Satisfaction. So what do these billionaires who are having billionaire mind do to achieve success in their life? I was just going through the history of Jeff Hoffman and many successful people. So that is the reason I tried to conduct this session, to make you aware, my students, my friends, my fellow entrepreneurs, fellow colleagues, and other people also, to just create such kind of mind, to create such kind of attitude. Jeff Hoffman, during his early education, he understood that you need to be a problem solver. He was just going for his software engineering studies. He was not having money. So some company or somebody sponsored him. So what exactly he did? He was successful for a year or so. He worked in a company. Then he came back and started his own company. My friend, what he thought of? He said, I'm a problem solver. I can solve anybody's problem. So when I'm a problem solver and I can solve anybody's problem, that's where the money flows in. Let me ask you one important question. From where this thing called money, the currency, came? Who invented this currency? Who gave birth to this currency? Friends, that was human only. We only invented this currency. Currency is, or the money is invented by us, and even we are the people. Humans only trade currency, nobody else trade currency or money. So who will give you the money? Why will he or she give you the money? He or she will give you the money only and only when you solve somebody's problem. So try to understand, if you are a student, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a person looking at success or money, if you really want to be rich and successful in life, look at solving somebody's problem, because then and there only money starts flowing in. Very important second point that Jeff Hoffman told: never ever focus on money. So isn't it strange? we are talking about money, but all billionaires, even Oprah Winfrey, a successful billionaire who is hosting shows, Oprah Winfrey, you would have just, even if you do not know about Oprah Winfrey, go over the internet and search on Google or Wikipedia, you will understand who she is. You know what she said? The reason why I am very successful, a very successful billionaire is not even for a second I have focused on money. So friends, after the very important point that try to solve somebody's problem, second point is never focus on money. And third very important point, friends, just give me a second, let me move this way. Okay, so very important point here to make is that study people. You might be looking at your colleague, he or she is successful. Watch people, but attract your customers. If you are a jobber, if you are an entrepreneur, you need to go for excellence. Don't focus on money, focus on excellence. Because if you are excellent something, people will call you. People will run after you. And they will not only run after you, they will run after you with packets of money, lots and lots of money. Hi Shazad, hi Raman sir, Rahul and Ritesh. So people will come with lots and lots of money, packets of money. Focus on excellence. Very important point, superb marvelous point brought by Jeff Hoffman. Focus on excellence. Jeff Hoffman and his company Priceline.com never ever focused on money. They focused on excellence. And another very beautiful point here to mention is when you do something right, in the hindsight you look smart. When you do really the right thing at the right time, people really think, oh wow, how could he do this thing at such a right moment at the right time? Yes, obviously there are failures at the back, but people will wonder in the hindsight, how could you be so smart? Friends, that is the real point. And for every jobber, for every entrepreneur, for every person in this world, focus on your end customer. If you are a jobber working for a company, understand that what is your customer looking at? What is he wanting from you? What is he looking from you? If you are an entrepreneur, look what your customer wants. Then only things will come back to you. Again, coming back to the same point of Jeff Hoffman and American Express, just hold on. So American Express and Jeff Hoffman. So after a few years, American Express came back to Jeff Hoffman and asked, what do you actually do? That our customers love you. Jeff Hoffman did nothing, but actually they asked several questions from the customer. They researched the customer that what is that you are looking in the industry that industry is not providing you? What is that you are working with a company or you are a customer of a company and that company is not giving you? And he provided that, all those things. Friends, I have written an article for this, the 10 ingredients to the secret of success on onelife2success.com. I'll post the link after this session on the facebook.com and you can read that. Last week we were discussing about the vision and mission statements. I hope you would have written. You know why vision and mission statements are necessary? Because they keep you on track. You don't need somebody's motivation. Week after week I am live. You know what is motivating me? Nothing but my vision and mission statement. Some people come to me and really I'm one more thing, I'm really thankful to you. Thankful to everybody for comments, lot of shares, lot of comments, but even I'm getting one question also that why do you do that? What are you trying to achieve from that? I hope you would have received my answer that I am on a mission to spread positivity and elevate people mentally and financially to success. So what I feel is you should join me in this mission and help this mission grow longer. We should stay longer together and reap benefits in the form of success, because together we can create a community that can create a ripple effect of success. For this I have created a WhatsApp group. You can join me in the Success Mastermind group. There is a secret FB group also. There is a webinar coming up on Tuesday at 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. on Tuesday. I'll be posting the link. So whosoever is interested, ping me privately. And your comments, your shares, and whatever you would like to say are really welcome. So my friends, once again, create your vision statement, create your mission statement, go on, go on, go on, go on. Thank you very much. I'll come up with something really, really, really beautiful for you. Your comments and shares are always welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you.